Hey guys, welcome to Wheels and Wheels. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful Mercedes-Benz AMG CLA 35. I know it's a mouthful, but it's a sporty car and super fun to drive. So stay tuned and subscribe, and thank you. We're in sport mode, and you can tell by the exhaust sounds, it's incredible. You can tell on this engine performance monitor, all your engine torque and performance horsepower as we're revving. Super cool. So this car features the multi-tone gray and black interior. It's a silver, iridium silver outside. Has this beautiful flat bottom steering wheel with your controls up here. You can control that screen over here by this haptic touch here. Your engine, your consumption, dynamic select. However you want to configure your vehicle, as you want to drive it in sport or individual configuration. Has your engine, vehicle engine consumption and dynamic select. These are beautiful 12.3-inch screens on both sides. You got two of them. And you have the beautiful MBUX system. Hey Mercedes, what time is it?
It is 9:17 a.m.
So you can control a lot of its features right now. Hey Mercedes, can you set the AC cooler?
How can I help?
Can you set the AC cooler?
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to minimum.
Thank you. It's nice and warm. So you have these beautiful air vents. They're rounded, very sporty looking. So nice. This vehicle has a 4-cylinder inline engine, and it's AMG tuned to a tune of 302 horsepower and 295 pounds of torque. So you've got plenty of power. You can get 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds according to car and driver testing. Super smooth, one touch up and down windows. Your seating can be adjusted right here. You have heated seats. Here's your lock controls right here. And unlock. Your trunk release right here. Your light controls are right here. Set on auto. Parking brake and parking release is right here. So your controls for your steering wheel, you can control the left screen over here with these controls, and the right screen with these controls right here. Here's your cruise control, your home buttons here. You can check and see your AMG Performance, your trip information. So you go back to home, your radio can be controlled here, media, service information, assistance. The car has a beautiful sunroof. It's very large, so your back passengers can also appreciate the light coming in. Here you have your map lights, LED map lights. The car also has this pad that you can control a lot of your screens also from here. So you can set, you can just slide and set things. As you can see up here, your engine, just press enter. You get your information. Slide, you get consumption, press enter. So it's very cool. You can control it from here and also from your steering wheel. The dynamic select is right here, and you can set your different modes. You can have sport, comfort, individual, also set for slippery if you're in snow or water. You can go back to home right there, so you can change it and go to your different settings. So you have active brake assist, attention assist, blind spot assist. On your vehicle you have your seat adjustments, automatic door locks, acoustic lock. Also your lighting system, you can change your ambient lighting to different color configurations. Earlier we showed some of the colors that were set in red. Here you have your system information, your displays, your controls, voice assistant and audio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, date and time, language settings, units, different software updates. So it really offers a beautiful way to control your vehicle and get all your information from your car. You can also adjust your colors inside your ambient lighting by just rotating this dial here. As you can see, you could change all the colors on your air vents, on your doors. Here's a nice aqua color. It's a little bit orange. Let's go real orange. So cool, I love that. Like a purple, yeah, nice red. So cool. What is this multicolor animation? Let's go back to home. You can also change the brightness, seat comfort, seat kinetics. Okay, cool. Mercedes Me configuration, your smartphone integration, AMG Performance. I really do love this screen here. Both of them, they're very cool. It's a beautiful interior. Especially at night, you can appreciate all these beautiful colors and the two 12.3-inch monitor screens. It makes it a really fun drive. So this is a great way to set your car at, in your AMG configuration. You got your RPMs in the middle, and your speed on the left. So let's take a look at the engine. So here you have your AMG tuned 4-cylinder turbo inline with 302 horsepower and 295 pounds of torque. It gets 21 miles in the city and 29 in the highway, which is pretty awesome mileage. It's a great engine. You have a standard 8-speaker radio system, which sounds really cool. Very nice. You have an 8-speaker sound system, and also you can connect your Apple phone and your Android phones with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. You also have you can upgrade to Burmester sound system and Sirius XM radio. There's also a slew of driver assistance features that you can also upgrade to, including in the driver's package, and we'll list some of those features as well for you. The controls down here are really super nice for the AC. I like having these controls here. You can set your cooler temperature here or warmer. Your fan speed is here. Auto settings, your max, recirculation, etc. You also have heated seats in your passenger and memory seats as well. These seats are absolutely beautiful. You can also get to your radio, set your volume here, up and down. Your radio media, your telephone can come here. You can go to manual by pressing this, and you have your paddle shifters, plus and minus here. Very nice center glove box. And your glove box is up here, very roomy. The back seat offers pretty ample room. It's not huge, but it's a sports car, so you can fit 4 people pretty comfortably here. I've got some leg room here. This seat is pretty far back right now. As you can tell here, there's lots of space. Very nice headrests in the front and the rear. I love this two-tone colors, the silver color and the black. The front dash is really beautiful. Very nice sports car. It's got some nice vents back here as well. And you've got USB charging down here. You've got 11.6 cubic feet of cargo space, which is a little less than the previous model, but still plenty of room to store anything you might want to carry, like your gym bags, maybe your golf bag, things like that, groceries. It's plenty of space. I'd like to thank Francisco for letting me borrow his car today as we took a look at all its nice features and its beautiful design. Thank you so much.